Hello everyone, welcome to RAO Academy for Competitive Exam, established by two former bureaucrats, I.A.S. Sir M. Mohan Rao and I.P.S. Ma'am Aruna Mohan Rao. This institute is based at Bhopal as well as Indore. Under the RAO Academy for Competitive Exam, we are coming up with a GATI initiative, which is a kind of crash course program for UPSC's prelims examination, wherein in 200 hours, we will be covering about the subjects of UPSC's prelims examination. Along with that, we'll also be discussing various previous year questions asked by UPSC for prelims examination, followed by probable questions and also mentorship and guidance program. I am Rajvardhan and I'll be discussing about science and technology, wherein our primarily focus will be on current affairs. Because if you go through previous year questions of science and technology, you'll find that more often than not, questions are current affairs based questions. So in the classroom, we'll be discussing about the science and technology static as well as current affairs portion, wherein my focus will be on conceptual clarity, and then we'll be discussing about previous year questions, probable questions for subject of science and technology. So this approach will be followed for most of the subjects under the GATI initiative of RAO Academy for Competitive Examination. Thank you.